get so strong enough.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be diving into something different than we usually do here in the channel. I'm gonna show you how to get the LogR app, which was set to be released back in spring 2020, and it hasn't. Honda has been dragging their feet with this app, at least here in the US, but today I'm gonna shine some light on this. This information came through Dumb Dub, which is a YouTuber and also Instagram celebrity. So I'll link all his information down below. And I also want to give a shout out to my good friend Honda Pro Jason, who actually made a conference video with him. So I'm glad that that video came out. So it's very exciting news. I cannot wait to actually show you guys how to get this app. So before we dive into this process, just so you know, Android users, this app right now is not available for you guys, including myself. I'm an Android user, so I was forced to get an Apple phone, and I got an Apple phone just for this video. I actually went ahead and bought a new one yesterday, just for the purpose of this video. So make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, because this was very expensive. I've always been a Android user pretty much my whole life. I've tried out, I think it was like the iPhone 6 back in the day, but I didn't like it back then. But Apple has come a long way, so I'm gonna give it a try. And also because the LogR app is only available on the App Store, so unfortunately for all the Android users, you need to make the switch if you really want to dive into this app. Or if you have an iPod Touch with Apple CarPlay or whatnot, you should be all set. But today, Apple users, you guys are lucky. I'm going to show you guys how to get the LogR app on your phone, so let's dive into it. So let's take our iPhone and start this process. As you can see, we have our settings, the App Store, and Google Maps, or regular maps for Apple. You're gonna need those three apps in order to complete this. So first things first, we're gonna dive into the settings, and you need to change your region to France, and you can access that by clicking General, Language and Region, and here just type in France like that. Click it, change it over, and then the settings are gonna look pretty much like this. And if you go back, you need to go into the iTunes and App Store, click your Apple ID, click Apple ID right here again. Here you'll need to change your region again. Change region. There you go. Click France. Agree to the terms and conditions. On this next screen, you just press none if you don't have any payment methods and whatnot. And this is the most important part right here, billing address. So the reason why you need your Maps app is because you need to enter a point of interest. You can grab a France address, local address, anywhere really, just to fill in these blanks right here. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, we have our country and region as France already changed. So go back to your home screen and click Maps. On the search bar, just type in Eiffel Tower, which obviously is in France. Go up and you'll see the information right there. And you're gonna grab those pieces of information and type them into your settings right here. This is what it will look like for the billing address. So make sure you type it in just like this, especially the phone number. Do not add the plus sign on it on the beginning. Just leave it just as you see it. So just press done, and that's it. That's pretty much it. All your settings are switched over. And the next thing you'll do is go to the App Store. Once your App Store is loaded up and ready to go, click on the search bar and type in Honda LogR. As you see the app right there, pretty amazing. We have access to the LogR app now that we did all those setting changes. Click get so you can download it. And there you go, the app is actually downloading. So we're gonna wait until this fully downloads, and that way we can set it up and plug it in into the car. As you see, we have our iPhone cable, which is plugged into the car. As you can see, the app is completely done downloading. I'm gonna click open. And man, check this out, boys. This is super exciting. We have the LogR app before anybody here in the US. So let's move on to the next portion of the video. Click next. So this pretty much tells you to connect it to the car. It gives you all the information. This is pretty awesome. So we're gonna agree to it. Just edit this. If this is not your type of settings in your country, just edit it. Fahrenheit, miles, PSI, and I think it's bar. So we'll go back, press done, and that's it, guys. So the app is fully running, and the next step that you can do is actually going back to the settings and switching everything over back to the US location, the regions and whatnot. Revert everything that you have done in terms of the settings and stuff. The app is always gonna stay. Let me see, move it over here. The app is always gonna stay, so you don't have to worry about that. Once it's downloaded, that's all you needed to do. So let's plug it into the car and see how it looks in the dashboard. So we have the screen already on. I'm gonna wait until the Type R logo comes up. There you go. The next thing is gonna be plugging in the iPhone, enabling CarPlay, and then you'll see the app up there in the screen. So let's move on to that step. Alright, so as you can see, we have the notification popping up, and we're gonna click always enable. Sure. As you saw, the screen kind of turned on. Check that out, Apple CarPlay. So we're gonna unlock the iPhone. So the next step is just going back into your screen here, and this is your CarPlay, Apple CarPlay enabled. You're gonna swipe over, and you can see the awesome app right there. And I click it. Man, this is awesome. I cannot wait to actually use this on the track, man. Sure, let's agree to that. Alright, just missed that message. There you guys have it, man. This is so cool. We're gonna go ahead and fully turn on the car, and that should give you the information that you want. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. So the water temp, display, oil pressure, what else? Air intake temp, gear position, which is in neutral, of course. And this changes with your modes. So you can see +R mode. That's pretty sick. Switch over to the G meter. Alright, so basically that's just the first look on this app. Obviously you have the ability to, you know, do a whole track. You know, you can track your times and all that stuff, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, I cannot wait to actually use this car on the track with this app. It's gonna give me great vital information in terms of you know, how the car is behaving with the overheating, or if any overheating at all. So I hope you found this super useful, guys. This is super cool. The reason why you have to do all these steps is because right now it's not available in the US. France does have it, so that's why you have to kind of change, kind of fool the app store to think that you're located in France, and then you'll be able to download the app on your phone. So guys, that's it. Super exciting news. You'll be able to get the app firsthand here in the US, so I'm gonna put it to the test very soon. I'm actually have another track session to go to on the 30th of the end of this month, so I'm looking forward to it. Man, this is awesome. So huge shout out to Honda Pro Jason and Dumb Dub to take the time and actually kind of share that kind of information, and that way we can put it out there and have the 2020 Civic Type R owners enjoy their car to their full potential. Hopefully Honda releases the app here in the US, and then that way we all can enjoy the app without diving into settings like these. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It helps it so much. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. We're gonna dive into a lot of accessories and other modifications to the Civic Type R platform. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.